Have you ever dreamt of standing on top of the world? There is a place where this dream feels real, the Himalayas. They call it the roof of the world for good reason. These are the highest, most majestic peaks on Earth. Stretching across countries, the Himalayas have captivated explorers and dreamers for centuries. Every view is a masterpiece, painted by nature itself. The sheer scale takes your breath away. The air is crisp and thin, filled with ancient whispers. Here, you feel wonderfully small, a tiny part of something immense and eternal. Sunrises and sunsets set the snow-capped peaks ablaze with color, where earth meets sky in a breathtaking display. The Himalayas touch your soul, reminding you of the simple, powerful beauty of our world. This is more than a destination. It's a journey into a different state of being. So come with me. Let's explore the secrets and wonders of the Himalayas together. The landscapes of the Himalayas are like something from a dream. Dramatic contrasts of towering peaks and hidden valleys. Mount Everest and its neighbors scrape the sky, their white crowns shimmering in sunlight. Descend, and the landscape transforms. Deep valleys carved by turquoise rivers, terraced fields climbing the hillsides. These valleys are sanctuaries of peace, sheltered from harsh winds. Further down, enchanting forests of pine and deodar cedar await, alive with color as rhododendrons bloom in spring. Walking here is magical. The air scented with flowers, the light dancing through leaves. Every twist of the path reveals a new vista. Wind-swept plateaus, crystal-clear lakes reflecting the peaks. The sheer variety is astonishing. Every valley holds a secret, every peak a new perspective. The Himalayas are a world of endless discovery. Nature's creativity is on full display, inviting you to marvel at every turn. It's a place that constantly reminds you of the boundless beauty of our planet. Here, every step is a new adventure. The true heart of the Himalayas lies in its people, their warmth, resilience, and deep connection to the land. High-altitude villages thrive through ingenuity, building homes from stone and wood, cultivating fields on steep slopes. Hospitality is legendary. A cup of butter tea is always offered with a smile. Life here is guided by ancient traditions and spirituality. Prayer flags flutter, carrying blessings on the wind. Monasteries perch on cliffs or nestle in valleys, filled with murals, incense, and the resonant hum of monks chanting. Visiting a monastery offers a glimpse into a world of profound faith and wisdom. The culture is a rich tapestry. Tibetan Buddhism, Hinduism, and animist beliefs blend in colorful festivals and intricate crafts. Artisans weave textiles and craft jewelry, each object telling a story. Every tradition has meaning. Every day is a celebration of life. The Himalayas teach kindness, community, and harmony with nature. It's a privilege to witness and a joy to learn from. The Himalayas are a sanctuary for some of the world's most unique and elusive wildlife. The legendary snow leopard, ghost of the mountains, is a rare and magical sight. Himalayan blue sheep and tahr navigate steep cliffs, perfectly adapted to the rugged terrain. If you're lucky, you might spot a red panda foraging in the high forests. Bird life is spectacular. Himalayan monals shimmer with rainbow colors. Lammergeiers soar on thermal updrafts. From tiny sunbirds to majestic eagles, the skies are alive with life. The plant life is just as diverse. Lush forests and wildflower meadows in the valleys, hardy herbs higher up. The famous Valley of Flowers erupts in color for a few short months each year. Every creature and plant is a testament to nature's adaptability. The Himalayas are a living, breathing world of wonder. Here, biodiversity thrives against the odds. It's a hidden garden at the top of the world. The Himalayas are steeped in adventure and mystery, calling explorers and dreamers for generations. Ancient trails double as trade routes and pilgrimage circuits, walked for thousands of years. Every step connects you to a larger story, Traders, pilgrims, and seekers of enlightenment. Legends abound, hidden valleys of peace, and the enduring myth of the Yeti. These stories add to the mystique, reminding us that wild, unknown places still exist. Adventure here is what you make it. A gentle forest walk, a trek to a giant peak, or camping under a sky ablaze with stars. The journey is about discovery, reflection, and awe. The mountains strip away the non-essentials, revealing what truly matters. It's an adventure for body, mind, and spirit. The Himalayas leave you with memories and mysteries that last a lifetime. A journey through the Himalayas is more than a holiday. It's a journey for the soul. The immense silence and vast spaces invite deep reflection and reconnection with yourself. Walking, breathing, and observing become a form of meditation. The magic of the Himalayas changes your perspective. Worries shrink before ancient peaks. The resilience of the people teaches gratitude and contentment. You return home with a renewed sense of wonder and appreciation for life's simple things. The mountains give you a gift, peace, and clarity that stays with you. Memories of the Himalayas become a source of strength and inspiration. The enduring magic of the roof of the world captures your heart and never lets go. It's a place that reminds us of our connection to nature and to each other. The story of the Himalayas is ancient, but your chapter is just beginning. You don't need to be a mountaineer to answer the call. Adventure is for everyone. It starts with curiosity, a dream of seeing those peaks and breathing the mountain air. Begin by exploring documentaries, books, art, or even Himalayan cuisine. Each step brings you closer to the heart of the mountains. Our exploration together is just beginning. There are more stories, more wonders to discover. Let the spirit of the Himalayas inspire you and keep your sense of adventure alive. Open your heart to the roof of the world. Your journey awaits, whether in imagination or reality. Thank you for joining me. May our paths cross again as we explore the wonders of our magnificent planet.